few trucks stir up as much passion and admiration among American truck enthusiasts as the Kenworth K100E, the last true American cabover icon that combined brute strength with unmistakable style. Introduced during an era when cabover engine co. trucks ruled the highways due to strict overall length laws, the K100E stood tall both literally and figuratively as a workhorse that balanced practicality with presence. Its tall, squared-off cab and sleek grille design became instantly recognizable, making it a favorite among drivers who needed maneuverability without sacrificing durability or performance. The Kenworth K100E was typically powered by a range of reliable engines, the most common being the Cummins Big Cam, NTC, or the Caterpillar 3406 series. Depending on the configuration, these engines could produce between 350 and 500 horsepower, with torque figures ranging from 1,252 over 650 pounds-ft. These engines were mated to Eaton Fuller 913 or 15-speed manual transmissions, offering solid dependability and control in various hauling conditions. Its co-layout provided a huge advantage in overall length, maximizing trailer space and making it ideal for tight urban docks and maneuver routes, a necessity in pre-1980s regulations that restricted truck trailer lengths when compared to its contemporaries, such as the International Transstar 2 or Freightliner FL. The K100E stood out with better driver improved visibility, and a more refined build quality. Kenworth was also one of the first to emphasize driver comfort, offering customizable sleeper configurations and air ride suspensions that helped reduce fatigue on long hauls, while European like the Scania 3 Series or Volvo F10 had their own advantages, especially in terms of technology and fuel economy. The K100E held its ground with its sheer robustness, classic American styling, and unmatched parts availability in the U.S. market. Historically, the K played a vital role in shaping the identity of Kenworth. As a brand that cared as much about the driver as the load, it became a cultural symbol, featured in movies, TV shows, and truck shows across the country. However, the decline of the co format in the U.S. during the 1990s, after length laws were relaxed, led to its eventual phase-out in favor of conventional, long-nosed trucks like the Kenworth W900 and T680. Looking to the future, the Kenworth K100E may well enjoy a second life. With urban delivery and electric trucking gaining traction, the space-saving benefits of cabover designs are being reevaluated. If electric platforms reduce engine size and noise, the K100E's form factor could become relevant, again revived through modern tech while paying homage to a true American legend on wheels.